Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from CodeRevolution. So let me show you the latest update for the Aimogen plugin, what new features will bring. So one of the most important features of this new update is that you will be able to use PDF files to upload directly into the chatbot and to chat based on the PDF files content. So let me show you this feature in action. So for this, you will need to do some stuff that you will need to configure the plugin before you will be able to use this. So first step is that you need to install, so download, install, and also set up the Aimogen extension PDF file storage and parsing plugin from here, which is linked in this video description. Also Aimogen is found there if you want to check it. So after you installed the extension, this is required for Aimogen to be able to parse PDF files. Afterwards, you will need to set up also embeddings in the plugin, because currently PDF files are stored in vector databases to be able to be parsed with more speed and accuracy, and also to not take up server storage on your servers. Because of this, you will need to set up your embeddings API of choice between pinecone or quadrant in the API keys settings field. Afterwards, you will need to go to the embedding settings field. All of these will be found in main settings. So after you've done this, you can set up embeddings here and select the pinecone or quadrant API that you want to use. For pinecone, set up your index and also your embeddings model of choice. And very important, be sure to check the chatbot shortcodes checkbox from the enable embeddings for, because this is needed for the chatbot to be able to use embeddings. So be sure to check this, set up embeddings, and afterwards you are ready to go back to the chatbot AI chatbot menu and go to the PDF chat tab and click the enable users to upload PDF files to the chatbot checkbox. So after you've done this, you will see a new icon appear in the chatbot interface. So if you click this icon, you will be able to upload your PDF files and to chat based on them. So I have here a sample PDF file. This is a simple PDF file, fun. And yeah, it's a lorem ipsum dolor text. So let me just go ahead and upload it. So click the PDF icon, upload the sample PDF file. So it's processing a bit until the server is uploading the file and a success message appears. So you can configure this success message here in the PDF file uploaded successfully user message. PDF session ended user message can also be configured, and PDF file upload failed message can be configured. If you want, you can limit the character count of the uploaded PDF file if you want. Also, you can limit the PDF page count. If you have users who want to upload very large files, you can limit their size here. Okay, so after we've done this, we can go ahead and ask questions. So, what is the sample PDF file text language? Let's see if the chatbot understands this. Okay, so it says that is in English. Okay, so no. Give me some text from sample PDF. Okay, so sure, here is some sample PDF parse. So it seems that the chatbot said that it's English because of this part. However, when we ask, give me some text from sample PDF, sure, here's sample. And what is this text more exactly? Placeholder text commonly used in publishing and graphic design. Okay, so exactly, this is a placeholder text from the sample PDF file, and our chatbot is able to use this. So if we want to end session and remove the sample PDF from our messages, we simply click this button and PDF file session ended message appears, which can be configured here. So now if users ask the chatbot details about the file, the chatbot will not be able to use the data from the file. It will be able to use only the data which it already told the user, so the prior data. So give me more text from the file. Okay, so now it will make up the text, or it will actually, so the most common things that the chatbot will do is that it will make up from here on, because you close the PDF session. And now if you want, or if users want, they can upload another PDF file and they will be able to chat with the chatbot based on the PDF file session. Okay, so this is the basic feature of the plugin. And one more thing that we need to check is the AI embeddings menu, where we will be able to list added embeddings, and these are the embeddings added in the chatbot. They will appear with the PDF underscore namespace, and be sure to recognize them by this namespace. So each user will have its different namespace. So because of this, if a user uploads a PDF file, other users will not be able to get content from that PDF file if they ask the chatbot about it, because each user has its own namespace. Okay, so we can manage these embeddings by simply removing or deleting or managing them, but now let's go ahead and delete them. So we now deleted the embedding files, and we also, so if you want, you can manage the user uploaded embedding files here. Okay, so I guess that this is everything that I wanted to show you. Aiomatic is linked in this video description. The PDF extension, PDF file storage and parsing is also linked. Go ahead guys and check this new feature, as it will enable PDF chat in the Aiomatic plugin. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed these videos. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Until then, have a nice day. Stay safe. Bye bye.